Hello class. This is exam 2 review with JP Padilla, and I will be going over question number 4. Calculate the monthly take-home pay for someone who earns $1,784.21 every Monday. Round to 2 decimal places in between steps if necessary. So I wrote down what we want to find, our monthly pay, so we don't lose track of that. And so we know what we're looking for. And then what we do know is our weekly pay, because that is the only number that we are being given. So our weekly pay is $1,784.21. In order to find the monthly pay, there are a few steps I have to do first in this order for this problem. It might vary from problem to problem depending on what information we are given, but because we are given the weekly, we have to find the daily first, and then followed by the annual pay. So to get my daily, I will divide $1,784.21, which is my weekly pay, by 7 days. $1,784.21 divided by 7 equals $254.887129. Because it is monthly in the problem, monthly payment that is, and the problem asks us to round 2 decimal places, our daily will be $254.89. We had a number greater than 5 after the second decimal place, which is how I got my answer of $254.89. So now that I have my daily, I must solve for my annual. And to do that, I will multiply 365 days, which is give or take how many there are in 1 year, times my daily payment of $254.89. When I plug that into the calculator, I get my annual pay, which is $93,304.85. So we are almost there. One of the last steps we have to do is divide 12 months by the annual payment to get our monthly payment, because as you know, there are 12 months in 1 year. So $93,034.85 divided by 12 months equals $7,752.90416, and so on. But I'm not so worried about after three decimal places, because we are only rounding to the second decimal place. So when we round to the second decimal place, we look at the number behind it and to see if it is greater or less than 5. And if it is less than 5, it remains the same, so we leave it as 0. So because of that, that leaves us with the final answer, the monthly payment, which is $7,752.90.